In front of me is ZTE Blade A75, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. Then choose those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files. And select Clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!